And has commissioned the Kikuyian Borehole Project in Narok County to provide clean and safe water for learners and the community at large. The water project comes after ChildFund rebuilt the Kikuyian Primary School on high ground after it was submerged by floods. ChildFund Africa Regional Senior Grants Business Officer Harrison Musyoki says the project involved drilling a borehole and equipping it with a solar-powered pumping system, a water tower, and community water points.
Dream ya ChildFund ni kufikia watoto 100 million children by 2027. Na nyinyi mkiwa stakeholders, nikiwaona na nikiona ile part mna play, tunashukuru sana kwa sababu bila nyinyi kama stakeholders hatutaweza kufanya hii kazi. National government, thank you for being there to support the work that ChildFund is doing, even as we compliment your efforts to do your job. Because kazi ya wananchi ni kazi ya serikali, lakini other stakeholders just come to support and complement the efforts of the government, and we are doing that because we want to support the governments to do their job and to support the children of this republic to be able to realize their potential.